Namaskar friends, this is Shekhar Mayanir here. Today I will show you some yogasans and exercises for knee pain. This is third in the series. So it will take help of this roller like this, and there are some weights which I have tied on my ankles. So the exercises goes as follows. Lift both of your legs like that. Hold it for 20 seconds. Relax. Again, lift both of your legs like this. Hold for 20 seconds. Now you have to do it 20 times. Now you remove the roller, and the hinge point will be at the hips now. Right leg, hold for 20 seconds. Bring it back, relax. Left leg, hold for 20 seconds. Relax. Right leg again, hold for 20 seconds. Relax. Left leg, hold for 20 seconds. Relax. So this way you'll have to do 10 this side and 10 on the right side. Left 10, right 10. Now the third exercise is as follows. Lift your leg just a little bit above the ground, maybe 6 inches, 7 inches above the ground. Turn it right at the hinge of the hips. Move it towards the left and do few up and down rotation like that. Bring it back, rotate it, relax. Right leg, lift it little bit, rotate, take it sideways, up and down, bring it back, rotate, relax. Do this 10 on your left side, 10 on your right side. This will help you strengthen the muscles, inside muscles and the outside muscles. And the fourth exercise is like that. Bend your right leg and the left leg straighten up. Take the left leg all the way as much as you can. Hold it. "20-second hold, back again, and now you do your right leg. Bend your left leg like this, right leg take all the way up as much as you can. Hold it for 20 seconds. Bring it back. Do this 10 times for each leg. Okay? Thank you very much. This is, you got to do it the best possible way you can without hurting yourself. And very slow. This is a very simple exercise and you should do it nicely. Thank you.